So after a very tough hike or a ride on the horses, people are cooling off their horses by going into the BRB canal, and the horses are really enjoying themselves. This is glacier water from mountains of Kashmir that's coming into BRB, so it's very, very cold right now, but everyone's really enjoying themselves. Yes, there are a few alligators in there, but they are vegetarian alligators. Good job, Zaki. Well done, well done. You see, Zaki is completely on bareback. There is no saddle, and the horse is swimming, and he is controlling the horse still. Zaki and Ahmed are going against the flow of the water in very, very deep water. So they are. This is the horse fully swimming, is completely submerged in water. ये देखिए पूरा पानी के अंदर है. He is fully inside water and fully swimming. Ahmed, if you can, try to jump onto the horse within the water. It's very light. Well done, almost. So we don't want the saddles to be destroyed. So when the horses go swimming, the riders have to be bareback. They have to be without saddles. So the horseman or horsewoman has to have a lot of control so that they can be. So if you're staying in the shallow water, you can be with a saddle. But if you are in deep water, you have to be without a saddle. That's the rule over here. So we have plenty of people with the saddles. But then we have some people who are deep in the water and their horses are really loving it. Now these people are swimming the horses, and the horses are almost completely submerged. This is the first time Bosley has even taken this cross-country ride, so she's never been in the water. So it's the first time, but the horses are so good, are natural swimmers. So they first time and she already started swimming. Our Sais, our groom, is now going to be going in the water. He wanted to have a fun swim with the horse, and no one is there to stop him. But this is a pretty wild horse, but he is, mashallah, controlling it really well. He's a fantastic rider, you can see, but I think he needs to go a little bit deeper. Sabir, बेशक आप पानी में आगे तक ले जाएं, शाबाश. Well done, Sabir. Sabir is a fantastic rider. That's why he works with our horses and trains them. And today he is, mashallah, doing so well. And the horse is kind of a little bit scared. And but I think he's fine. And the horse has been in the water quite a few times, but he was a little bit unwell. He had a leg injury and it's recovered, so he's a little bit fresh.